Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. It's just Tech, and today I'm going to share a very nice trick who wants to learn the computer without having your laptop or desktop. Okay, today I have here one very useful solution how to use computer in your Android phone. You can convert your Android phone to the computer. Okay, so that go to the Play Store in Android phone, Play Store, and then you have to go to search button and type Windows 10 simulator. And just install this and click the install, and this will take about 3 or 4 minutes according to speed of internet in your home or office. And guys, this trick is very helpful. You have eager to learn the computer but you don't have laptop or desktop at your home, and this Android phone will be transferred into the Windows computer, right? You have to buy OTG, okay, Type-C to USB converter OTG. Just insert that OTG in your mobile phone and then just plug the USB cable of mouse and keyboard. Now here, just next. Okay, after download you have to click the open, okay, and it's getting ready. It's copying files so fast. Now you have to close this option. Now here you have to enter your name of the user or computer. I'm going to set your test, okay, and click next, and you can skip this. Okay, I have selected a jump and I do not need a password here, so if you need password then you can just set the password also and accept this for a while minute. Hello. Okay, you can find out the real Windows like your PC. Okay, while loading OS, this message is pop up in Windows, and click Allow to access the file to the simulator. Oh wow, here you can find a lock screen of Windows 10. Just scroll up side and test user is logged in there. Now here you have to use the pointer. Okay, you can use touchpad to control the pointer. Okay, click forward option with the pointer. So that you need the mouse, right? Click forward, again click forward, done. Okay, this is the Windows 10 profile, right? You can run this in your phone. Okay, you can find on the desktop, recycle bin, browser, and you can play the game also here. Wow, so many features are here inside the simulator. And you can just open this PC. Okay, and you can check your memory status also there, friend, and you can just open here Notepad or WordPad, or you can install the Office program also here, and you can just use as a computer, and you can just learn the typing and other simple types of word here. Okay friends, I think this video will help you to learn the computer. If you do not have the computer at home and do not have money to buy PC or laptop, in that case this is very useful tips and tricks. Okay guys, use this, try this and learn computer. I think this video will help you. And if you want to go back from this PC, and just you have to select the start menu and go to the power option, and you have to turn off this computer, and this will close the active window, closing. Then after, you are directly directed to your Android phone, right? Hence you can use Windows 10 simulator to learn or to progress your computer skills. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This video really helped you. Then don't forget to say, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks, to the next video.